everybody! Say hello.
Hi!
Today we're gonna
playing Jade Wolf.
And look, this is Jade Wolf. I'm gonna put the music on. I don't like this song. This is Jade Wolf, the white wolf. You see him? And first of all, I'm gonna be a black wolf. And the one I'm talking with, his name is Mike, and he's playing Jade Wolf 2. We're talking on Skype, actually. And now I'm the black wolf, and I'm gonna enter a dream. Or, no. Wait, let me just go over.
And I'm stuck here.
Okay, and now I'll go this way. Come on, I can do it. I kind of like Jade Wolf. It's a pretty cool game. And Jade Wolf 2 is my favorite one. And there's also Jade Wolf 1 and Jade Wolf 3. And now the hardest part. Go there. Now I think I gotta be the white wolf.
And I think I'm gonna have to get out of there because I'm stuck here.
It's only a game.
I know that.
And now let me go here.
There!
You can read yourself. I won't read. So now, to be continued, I won. Oh, great. Thank you for playing Sedition games. Return to temple. Play again.
Why did I get...
Wait, can I stop the music?
Help me!
Okay, now let's go somewhere I like. I think I'm gonna be a white wolf right now. I don't need to be a black wolf. Don't mind him. Okay. No. Hey,
Hey, why don't you like me?
okay, so let me enter here.
Yes, I will secure that!
Explodes! Ouch! Okay, I'm almost there. Actually, this hurts. Oh my gosh. Not gonna be so easy. Oh my gosh. That does not look good at all. Jade Wolf! Oh, yay! Okay, let me enter a dream anyways. I'll just pick for the ambulance. Ouch. What? Oh no. And I have an idea how I can do it without. There it goes. See? I didn't even need to do boats. I like this wolf, Jade Wolf. think. He does not know he's just a game.
I do know it's not the game.
Did you hurt that? Guys, okay, we're I think there's wow, that's good. Ouch. Go away! I don't have many minutes anymore. Don't mind if I don't find him until the video's over. Okay? Go away, monkey!